Good morning. Good morning students. Today we are learn principles of management first topic. Principles of management we are learn first introductions, meanings and definitions and nature of principles of management. Today we are going to learn significance of management principles. Significance of management principles, it means importance of management principles. The importance of management principle, as we have discussed the nature of principles of management, it can be said that management principles are applicable for everywhere. Organizations, non-organizations, all organizations are applicable. They are in the form of predetermined solution for the problems which are recurring. They are guidance the manager, so it is too important for every manager to know them. In every type of organization are in the group activity. There are the every managers, there are the financial managers, human resources managers, then production managers, every managers that help in the group activities. One need to apply the principles according to the natures, size and requirement of the organization. These principles are tested and practices worldwide from many years. Therefore, we are learn the significance of principles of management can be discussed in terms of the following points. They are the first points, providing managers with useful insights in the realities. The principles of management that present the manager with valuable insights into real world circumstances. Adherence to these policies will supplement their educations, capabilities and perceptions of managerial conditions and circumstances. That means the principles of management that help the manager to understand the organizations. The study of principles help to improve the understanding of the situation and problems. It further helps the manager to find out the solution to the problems and handle the situations. Different types of managers, there are the different problems and different situations are there, and they are the solve some problems and solutions. Management principles are the outgoings of the experience of various professional peoples. The financial managers, they are the charter accountants and other professional persons are there, is also the one of the outgoings of the experience of the various professional peoples. The use of these principles is helping the manager about the manners in which he should act in the different situations. He should the solution for the different situation and solve the different problems. These types of timely guidance, the reduction of the wastage of resources and goal can be achieving in appropriate manners. That the first point, it provide managers with helpful the insights into realities. Next ones are optimum utilization of resources and efficient management. Next, both the materials and human resources are the obtainables with the firms are restrict. They have to be placed to best use. Materials are also best use, human resources are also best use by the best utilizations. The resources must be put to utilizations in such a way that they should give the most profit with minimum cost. Minimum cost principles of provide the manager to predict and influence relationship of their choice and activities. That means the every organization, they are the divided into two types. There are the two types of resources are using, physical resources and human resource and and the human resources. Physical resources, they are coming for materials, machines and money. Human resources, there is a manpower resources. The basic functions of management is to make a provide balance between these resources by putting them to optimum use and control on wastage of resources while maintaining disciplines and healthy working environment. Management always use techniques and principles. It helps in stabilizing control relationship between management and employees, which increase the efficiency level of employees and also affect the effective administration. For example, use of standard tools and machine help in increasing qualities or productivities as well as in increasing level of efficiencies of human resources. We are using for latest technology, latest machine, new machinery we are using for the production. Therefore, you are increasing your efficiencies. That is the one of the significance of management principle, optimum utilization of resources and effective management. Next ones are scientific decisions. Scientific decisions is the applications of principles of management. Make the manager more realistic, truthful, justifiable and free from personal bias. The decision taken on the basis of principles of management are subject to evaluations and objective assessment. It means the business organizations or scientific decisions means systematic or balanced decisions. Scientific means systematic decisions. Principle train the manager to handle critical situation trackfully. Otherwise, the manager have to work always with trial and error management. With the help of various management principles, one can get an idea about how to analyze the situation, to search alternative options and their results. That is the scientific decisions. Next, principles, significance of management principle, understanding social responsibility. Principles of management not only help in achieving the goal of the organization effectively and efficiently, but they also guide the managers to fulfill their commitment towards its employees and societies. Its the examples are here principles of fair remunerations and equity ensure the social justice to employees and compliance with government norms toward corporate social responsibility which improve the company's image in the societies. It means management principles are the best of every aspect of organization, every types of organizations, organizations etc. They are not developed only from few viewpoint of handling the resources effectively, but they guide the management in understanding social responsibilities of organizations so that they can focus on providing quality product at a reasonable price, avoiding artificial monopolistic situation in market, fair competitions, fair remunerations, change in environment, healthy working place, standard tools and machines, etc. Another ones are here encourage research and development. Proper understanding of principles is the best of training, research and development in the field of management. Management is on the basis of these principles which help the management institutes prepares future managers. These principles help the manager to take decisions and action in the right manners. Application of these principles by the manager bring innovation in the field of management. For example, it is the result of such training, educations and research that Sunil Mittal could run Airtel in the successful way. For example, another ones are here. Principles of management is a dynamic. It is a changeable. Their nature goes on changing along with the change in the business world. Over the years, they have developed to suit the current need. It enables in the business world. Over the years, they have developed the situation in current needs and enables the manager to bring consistent improvement in terms. Management adopt the new trend at a working policy automatically. They are the using for the new techniques, new machineries are using, new policies are using. This guidelines help the manager to make the comparisons of using principle with its expected outcome. If needed, management can modify the principles according to the situations as the management is having liberally to take the decision at their own. This training help in the developing scientific approach toward research and development and growth and development of organization. For example, research and development always work on finding new technique in the field of productions, finance, marketing, human resources, etc. Another ones are here. Significance of management principle help in coordinate and control. Management principles are the guideline for better coordinations and control. It is very challenging to create coordinations and cooperation among different employees working in different departments. That the different departments are available in organizations. For example, financial departments, production department, research and development departments, then human resources department. That the different departments are available in the organizations, and it is very challenging to create the coordination and cooperations among the different departments. For another ones are management principles are the guidelines for better coordination and control. It is very challenging to creating for your coordination and cooperation among the different departments working in the different departments. It is also difficult task for managers to keep controls on the performance of employees. Management principles offer the suitable systems while stabilizing coordinations and controls. Another ones are here developed objective approach. With the help of various principles of management, one can develop an objective approach. Manager can identify the business opportunities, root causes of problems in the correct manners and can provide appropriate solution on it. That is also the one principles of significance of management. It means with the help of various principles of management, one can develop an objective approach. Management can identify for the business opportunity, root causes of the problems in correct manners and can be provide appropriate solution in it. It build confidence in the mind of the managers. That's we are learned today here principles, significance of management principles. Now assignment questions. write down the significance of management principles. Thank you students. Bye. You take care.